So we are here in Ikea. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the store. Okay, join me inside the store. I like this too. Red. It's $29.99. Oh, that is so cute. This is no, that's $19.99 right there. Okay, get one. Pillowcase or pillow cover. This is $9.99. Ba, ganun ka ne? $29.99. Ganun ko ne? $89.99. Okay, let's go. $39. Cute. $4.99. I like that. Okay, I'm looking for something with a table, swing table right behind our couch. This one is $3.49, but this is so cute. But I see a $1.99 here. I can do something to make it look nice. But I don't know if our printer will fit into that one. It's $9.99 right there. This one is $1.49. The one is $7.99. So I thought of doing that, but our printer is $17.99. And this one is only 11 inch something, so I can't really use that. But I just thought of doing that for the printer. So the printer will fit in here. This one is on sale. There's a $15.99 TV bench. There's a white one here. This one is actually good too. The one right now is $49.99. These are $6.99. They're cute. It's really hard. This is $3.50. It's $1.90. One looks promising. $119. Temporarily oversold. Bakit kinamo ni kinabaratuhan na ako nakitaan. So, mabutan na. Bar and chocolate chunk cookie and coffee. Thank you. get both. You get storage. And you get this. Like an office. This is just for wood treatment. No, I don't really need that. It's $12.99. I thought it would be paint. Okay, I will see this. How much is this? 240. Wow, that's so expensive. This can put too many stuff in this window. This one looks good. It's $2.99. That one's $2.49. This one looks good. Or kareo? 29 ra. Ganahan ko ane. Igo ang printer ni Papa ni mo ane. We can have this. See. Then na kay space and po na. 149. Yeah, this one looks good. Makafit kita tanan. Yeah. So that's it for tonight. Papadimoto. We are done. And we're going home now. That's what we have there. And the mattress for the bed. So we're going now. Thank you so much. And I hope you will watch my next vlog. We will be installing this in our bedroom. And then I don't know if I will vlog it, but maybe. But anyways, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed going around Ikea with me. And till next time. He already picked up the other bed earlier on his own. So there is 4 boxes already in there. Let's see if we can pick everything.